Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot in the midst of the UK's fourth heat wave of 2025. And there's heat in the Bitcoin market, which is good for all of those companies that have Bitcoin in their treasury, such as the Smarter Web Company and the London BTC Company. London BTC Company, new one on me, listed at the beginning of the year. It's building a robust Bitcoin treasury through decentralized mining operations across North America and strategic acquisitions of Bitcoin assets. And UK listed mining and energy stocks associated with Bitcoin strategies, including Panther Metals, ECR Minerals, and Union Jack Oil. And its partners plan to convert natural gas into electricity for on site Bitcoin mining at its West Newton site. Chairman David Bramall saying it might adopt a new Bitcoin treasury strategy. So just to check the progress of the cryptocurrency, go to lsc.co.uk. There's the drop down menu and choose your cryptocurrency and check out the chart. So speaking of miners, Macango Resources experiencing a 13% increase in its share price this Tuesday, which is the day that I'm recording this video. I interviewed the chief executive in July when we discussed the company's involvement in recycled rare earth alloy production in Birmingham, which brought rare earth magnet manufacturing to the UK after a 20-year absence.
The key drivers are, clean technologies. So we're looking at wind power, we're looking at electric vehicles, consumer electronics, robotics is going to be a key driver in the future. Also, AI and, sort of growth in data centers in Europe, for example, we see significant growth coming from that perspective as well. So the outlook is very positive.
Will mentioning AI there, and it's a good time to re-mention Sundae Bar, which listed in June. This is the company that aims to be the go-to platform that links AI agent developers with businesses and users. It too has implemented a Bitcoin treasury strategy. Other news this week about Gemfields, which is selling luxury jeweler Faberge for $50 million to US-based SMG Capital. That's an investment firm controlled by technology investor Sergei Mosinov. Now, you may remember that Gemfields bought Faberge 12 years ago for $142 million, but put it up for sale last year after suspending operations at its Mozambique ruby mine due to political unrest. And it also faced a sharp decline in emerald prices amid market oversupply. Shares have fallen about 70% since their peak in 2023, with the company blaming delays in opening a new Mozambique mine due to illegal mining and permitting challenges. Here's the 3-month chart compared to the 5-year chart, so the stock off its period lows. Well, I hope you're well. Take care. Stay out of the heat because too much heat is bad for you. I'll be back same time next week.